Hi everybody, this is Lisa from Lisa's Garden Time. I'm going to do a sweet potato harvest. I'm going to do the ones I planted first because the leaves are turning brown. You'll see right now in a minute. My daughter's been wanting sweet potatoes. So let's see. This is my first time using a tripod, so excuse me if I don't do it right now. Okay, I think you can see. I'm going to cut these down. You can see they're turning yellow. These are the first ones that I planted. So I think I planted them in May or June. I can't remember. So let's see what we get. Okay. I know I haven't did videos in a while, but a video in a while. There's lots been going on. So I'm gonna cut these vines. I don't eat the leaves. A lot of people do, but I don't. And these are from my own potatoes from last season. So let's see what we got. I really did fertilize them, but I know the potatoes in it. I wouldn't put these in my compost because, for one, they will grow roots and probably won't get any sweet potatoes, but just a lot of leaves. So I'm just gonna put them in the bin for the city compost. Okay, let's see what we got. Some of them split last season, but they're still good. So you gotta let them cure for at least a couple weeks so they can get sweeter. And it's supposed to be spinning like 102. The last few days it's supposed to get hotter again today, so I want to do this before it gets hot. Oh my goodness. Those are good sizes. We gotta be careful. I did that, but it'll dry up and heal itself. But that's a good size, and these are good sizes. These ones I could probably use for next season to plant. I don't know what happened to the tart. These are really like the sizes you sell at the store, but I think the insect was in there, but it's okay. It'll dry up, and I'll just cut that part off and still use it. And you don't want that to happen, but it'll heal. Definitely. Don't wash them. I don't wash them, but some people do. But I leave the dirt on because once they dry up, the dirt will just easily come off. Oh wow! See, I keep with the glove. This one's a good size. Look at that. I don't get that many in here, that's okay, because just for me, my daughter and my grandkids is really well. So you can use these like for the next season. You just put it, what I do is I put it in a glass of water, put it this way, and what happens is you'll get I guess it's on tubers, they'll come out on the top, and once they root, take them off carefully, and you put them in a glass of water, and it'll make more roots, and that's how you get your sweet potatoes. goodness. This one's a good size. It's like a buy at the grocery store. And believe me, growing your own, it's better than the store. It's sweeter. It lasts longer. Keep it in the pantry in the dark in a cool place. Yeah, don't leave it out because they will start growing their tubers and stuff. So here's this long one. I can use this like with fries. Yeah, see, look at it. See another one. This is a good size here. Yeah, I gotta pull my other ones eventually. I'll probably do that towards the end, but I'm not. See how it's they're growing roots again, but I need to take them out. I need to get my containers and my raised beds ready for my garlic because I ordered some garlic, some soft head garlic and hard garlic. My garlic didn't do so good this season it has. I mean, when I picked it, but it's okay, still use it. You know, they're small. So long in here. And these you can use to make fries. There you go. Oh yeah, that's a good size. Yeah, just make sure you put them here, because they become more sweeter. See, I think this was the container's not that big, so I didn't put that big. But that's a lot of them in a small container. Well, it's not small, but small. I'm doing a lot of potatoes. Oh, here comes Blair. She's gonna be in the video, I think. Blair, what's the matter? Hey, get down. It's another cat we adopted, stray cat. But she's still young. She likes to play. So, but yeah, some little ones. Wow, I got a lot of potatoes in here. It's too small. That's it. I would dump it over my tarp. I don't know where my husband put it. So hopefully got all of them. I think I did. I don't think there's any more. Trying to get way in the bottom. Yeah, so it's that's pretty good for this container. See, little ones are going to grow in there at the bottom. But it's time to pull them out because I don't want them to crack like they did last season because I waited too long. So, yeah. But I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, because I'm getting my garlic soon. I have my own garlic. I got the biggest bulbs of my garlic so I can plant. But I ordered some too. So yeah, let's see. I think that's about it. Yeah, so it's a good harvest. Sweet potatoes. Now I'm gonna let them cure for at least a week or so. I mean, you can eat them right away if you want, but I like to cure them because they get sweeter. Keep them in a dark, cool place. Keep them away from the light because you don't want them to start growing tubers and stuff. These are gonna be ready for Thanksgiving, even for Christmas. Like I said, myself, my daughter, youngest daughter, and my grandkids love sweet potatoes. The rest of my family don't really like them. But I'll do another video once I pull the ones over there. I know you probably see it. Those ones over there are next, and these ones here are going to be next. Yeah, but yeah. So, my face is red because it's getting hot already, and it's only like going to be 11 o'clock here. I live here in Manteca, California, in Zone 9B. I know a lot of people I say if I see my face. I'm really shy about showing my face. Ever since I was young, I really had low self-esteem because you could say I was bullied, not just from kids, from family, but that's a whole different story. So I really don't like taking pictures or showing my face in videos, but I did today because I wanted to try the tripod my daughter's boyfriend bought me for Christmas, and I wanted to show you. These are all excuse me, these are all the potatoes that I had pulled for this little, I think this is a 10-gallon or 15-gallon fabric container that I got at Amazon. But yeah, these are my little harvest today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll make another one once I harvest my other sweet potatoes. But yeah, so thank you for watching my videos. I know I haven't made one in a while, but I took a lot of plants out, tomato plants and stuff, because it was been getting so hot, and I work and I take care of my grandkids, so sometimes I can't come out here. But the last couple, I came out yesterday to water, but the 2 days before that I didn't come out, and it was like 102, and it's fall. It's fall and it's still real hot. But anyways, yeah, so this is Lisa. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. I'll do another update once I pull my other ones, and I'll do a video when I plant my garlic. When I'm supposed to get it in a couple of days. I got a email saying it's out for delivery, so probably a couple of days. And then I'll do an update on my whole garden. I'm not going to do a lot of fall plants this season. Yeah, I'm just going to do like lettuce and radishes. I planted my onion seeds, so by spring they should be hopefully get big bulbs. But anyways, I'm not going to plant a lot in this fall. So but I just wanted to do a sweet potato harvest, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And excuse me if I'm rambling, but I'm not used to showing my face and stuff. But okay, you guys be safe out there, and stay cool if you're hot, and stay warm if it's cold where you live. And I'll talk to you guys later.